Hey, Sylvia here, and welcome guys to my Faithful Flicks review. Or as they call it here on the sales page, Faithful Flicks, the ultimate viral videos package. Or there's another name for it, Faithful Flicks, the ultimate PLR bundle. So guys, this product went live yesterday, but I didn't manage to shoot it yesterday. So the launch period is, but here I come today, better late than never. Anyhow, so the launch period is from the 8th of July till the 12th of July, so you still have quite a few days, 3 days, to get it at the sort of like dime sale. So because as we know, during the launch, the product is always available for the lowest price possible. Okay guys, so here is what you're gonna get in the front end. And by the way, of course, I've got the members area, so I shall show you around. And yeah, I've got also some splendid bonuses for those who decide this is the product for them and pick it up via the link below my review. So that's the sales page to the product. You will find it below my review in the description box. And that's the newest launch by Mr. Craig Crawford and Danielle Melandri. So Craig is the front face, I would say. I mean, Danielle has partnered up with Craig. It's really Danielle who created Melandri, Mr. Melandri, who created all of these Faithful Flicks. Okay guys, so check out the sales page below my review. Pretty cool stuff. So as they say here, these products are compatible with Canva, so you can change them up, you can customize them, edit them as per your wish, okay, as per your preference, with a free account of Canva. I'll show you how it works. So basically, as you click through here, so say access the motivational videos, from here it's going to take you to Canva, so you can use this template for a new design, and the whole package of 40 videos in this instance will be imported into your Canva, into your free Canva account. And if you click, you see it's all drag and drop, so you can change them up as you wish. Now you also get the tutorial done by Daniel on how this whole process works. So you know, you're in good hands. In case you're not familiar with Canva, just follow this training and Daniel shows you how to customize them. You can use them as they are, but I would advise you to probably put your logo on them, change them up at least a little bit, okay, to make them unique. It's about 6 minutes, the training, and then that's the content, guys. This is just the front end without the bonuses, okay? So you get like 400 videos, Bible hope quotes, Bible affirmations, Bible verses, tough times messages, affirmations for Christian meditation, Bible journaling prompts, Christian prayer, Christian quotes, Christian uplifting, teaching of Jesus. So that's how you do it. In case you don't know how to use Canva, you covered here with my bonuses, because one of them is an in-depth training on how to use Canva. And by the way, guys, all of my bonuses are also PLR products, except for the first one. The first one I created myself. It's a PDF ebook. I'll show you my bonuses later. Now going back to the sales page, so all of the features are listed here. So 400 unique flicks ready to use, and the training is provided as you were able to see from inside of the members area. And there will be also some bonuses. I don't really have them here, but they will be delivered somehow to you. This is a review access that I got from Daniel, and Daniel did mention that all of the bonuses are not available under the review access, but whoever buys the product will get them, obviously. So you also get it as a bonus from the vendor on top of just the front end, the royalty-free Christian music to enhance your videos with high-quality music included in the members area, and also 100 spirituality affirmations videos with PLR rights. another few bonuses. Wow, quite a few, guys. Okay, as you can see, motivational, inspirational videos with PLR rights, like even more, so the more the merrier. The art of living in the moment, it's an art for sure. Christian sellers bundle and being whole. I like it, being whole. There is a great book called The Whole, Rethinking the Science of Nutrition. It's about eating whole foods, as you can figure out. Okay, so here's like a summary of what you're getting. Guys, all of that information, obviously I'm just reading out for you from the sales page, so you'll be able to pick it up. Check it out before you pick it up from the link below my review, okay? Now, I want to talk about the funnel as well, because obviously there's not just the front end, so I guess I have the funnel here. Right, so in the front end, which is currently priced at $14.95, you're getting all of that. So that's 400 Christian Reels with unrestricted PLR rights, fully editable in Canva, with Canva, and all of the bonuses. Right, guys, so there will be a bump offer on the front end for $9, and that's additional 200 Christian Reels. So altogether, if you pick up the inline offer on the front end, you're gonna get 600 Christian Reels. Quite a package. Now, OTO number 1 for $27 is called the expansion pack. They say it's our best-selling OTO ever. Right, okay. So much more content you can go for. OTO number 2, $17. 450 Christian social media posts. Cool. OTO number 2 for $24.95. Music membership. Okay, is a recurring. Let me double check. No, it doesn't. No, it's one time. Okay, cool. So now OTO number 4, $24.95. Bible Tales for Young Hearts. That's actually Craig's previous product that he launched with Andreas Quintana. Okay, so OTO number 5, $37, selling with stories training. So that's a training course, I guess, on how to also get traffic, how to sell the products, the PLR products. OTO number, so if you're thinking of monetizing these reels, I guess that's the upsell to go for. And OTO number 6, $19.95, The Art of Upselling. Pretty valuable OTOs and very congruent with the front end as well, which I always appreciate. Alright guys, I guess we have covered everything, okay? So there's not much to show around in the members area. The editing is, you've got all of the content here. And then you just click through, you're taken to Canva where you can do the customization and all of that. You've got the training on how to do it. So it's all good. So many digital assets you're getting here, videos, right? Mainly, plus some bonuses, some extra digital assets. Alright, and my bonuses, guys. So the first one I told you is the whole training on Canva. Then the first one here is called the PLR Profit Maximizer Blueprint. So since the product I'm reviewing today is a PLR product, I thought I would give you this ebook on how to use PLR products, how to make money with them. It's called Your 6-Figure PLR Playbook, done by moi. So let me show you the ebook. It's 28 pages long. All right. And as you can see, let me just quickly scroll through. There's a lot of good information in this ebook, guys. A lot of clickable links. As you can see here, okay, I listed all of the tools you will need to make money with PLR products, but also to customize them, and all of the platforms that you will find useful. Right, and then there's another training course I give you access to on how to sell videos on Amazon Prime Video Direct. I don't think I have ever given away this training course. I might have once, but it's a crazy detailed training course. okay, delivered to in audio and video format. As you can see, there you go. See many videos from A to Z, starting from the overview, then to publishing and creating all that you need to sell videos. You can even probably sell these videos using Amazon Prime Direct, Video Direct. So that's that, guys. Again, check out that link below my review. If you wish to pick it up, click Let's Go Viral. That's the call to action button. So $14.95 for the front end for now. Check out the upsells, they're quite valuable too. And also, before I go, I'll show you how you will access my bonuses, guys. So you will have to, sometimes people get confused. So I take it for granted that, people should know how to access the bonuses on Warrior Plus, but I shouldn't really, should I? So for those who are not aware of how to access the bonuses, my bonuses on Warrior Plus, you need to go to your Warrior Plus account, then to purchase history, then you find the product you've purchased, so FaithFul Flicks, right? You will have it probably on top of the list, right? But I'm just gonna go and find a product that I know I also got some bonuses with that product. So I believe this one, yeah. So you see here, access affiliate bonuses, you click on that button, and that's how you get access to my bonuses. Alright guys, ciao. I shall see you very soon. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye bye.